What's the meaning of anthill? Anthill. 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 Anthill.
An anthill is a conical mound made of earth, sand, and small debris that is created by ants as they build their nests. The shape and size of an anthill can vary depending on the species of ant and the environment in which they live. The construction of an anthill involves many complex behaviors and communication patterns among the ants. The resulting structure provides protection and shelter for the colony, as well as a system for ventilation, waste removal, and food storage. Overall, anthills are remarkable examples of the ingenuity and cooperative behavior of ants.